Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of becoming an AI specialized supplier relationship manager. From understanding the core responsibilities to mastering the essential skills, we'll guide you through every step needed to excel in this dynamic role. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized supplier relationship manager, you can future-proof your skills in an ever-evolving industry. With AI expertise, you'll open doors to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals who can leverage AI in their operations. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries as they enable you to be more efficient and productive using AI as your assistant. Embrace this path to stay ahead of the curve, enhance your career prospects, and maximize your earning potential. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized supplier relationship manager. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure you're always informed about the latest advancements in AI that are relevant to your role. Our training equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel, making you an invaluable asset in the modern business landscape. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for supplier relationship managers. Dive into the latest prompt courses and leverage custom GPTs designed for your unique needs. We've curated essential AI tools to enhance your efficiency. Join our course and certification program to become an AI specialized supplier relationship manager. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for supplier relationship managers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert supplier relationship manager. You can start a 3-day trial today.